Hey there, Bay Mini Grant reviewers.
If you signed up to review mini grant applications this year, you're in the right place. This is going to be a quick guide for both first-timers and returning reviewers.
First things first, thank you.
Thank you!
This program literally would not happen without folks like you volunteering their time and brain power.
The goal of Bay Mini Grants is to support awesome local people who are protecting and restoring Tampa Bay while building lifelong environmental stewards in the process.
Basically, we want projects that make people fall in love with the Bay and give them the tools to protect it.
Between mid-September and mid-October, you'll be reviewing up to 15 applications. This should take about 10 hours of your time. You can review at your own pace, you can make your own schedule, as long as they're completed by the deadline.
You'll also be asked to attend a 2-hour review meeting that'll happen sometime in mid-October. So the total time commitment you're looking at is about 12 hours over a month.
If you're unsure about committing that much time, just let me know. We can probably work something out that fits your capacity.
You have 3 goals as a reviewer. 1, review every application assigned to you by the deadline. 2, provide your opinion about the application and whether you think the project should be funded. And 3, help applicants improve their applications by providing feedback.
Everyone tackles this task a little differently. We'll tell you what works best for us, but feel free to use whatever process feels right for you.
The first thing to do is read the instructions and get familiar with the review spreadsheet that we provide.
You'll get a personalized review spreadsheet, so don't share that with anyone else. Each application will have its own tab along the bottom. Don't touch the summary tab, it just updates automatically from other data.
A good next step is to read the eligibility requirements and review the criteria so it's fresh in your mind before you start reading applications.
I like to start my reviews by seeing how many applications are assigned to me and deciding how many I want to review each week. Reviewing one application should take about 1 hour or less. Having a plan in place helps keep me accountable and avoid leaving a ton of work for the days right before the review deadline.
Seriously, don't leave it all for the last weekend. We have done that and it is not fun.
Agreed. I look at the application materials in this order. First, cover sheet. It's got a lot of information there that is helpful to start with. 2, scope of work. 3, budget. And then 4, all the other supporting documents.
As you read, jot comments right in the spreadsheet. That'll help you when it's time to score.
Here's what you're looking for. Ask yourself, is this a good project concept? Does it protect and restore Tampa Bay? Does it build stewardship among community members? Are they asking for a reasonable amount of money? And does the group seem like they can pull it off?
And the big one, are they meeting the eligibility requirements?
You'll score the entire application based on the criteria provided that have 5 to 10 to 15 different points assigned. After you do that, you're going to rate the entire application on a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being, I don't think this project should be funded right now, to 5 being, I absolutely think this project should be funded this year.
Take your time here, reread it if you need to. You can go back as many times as you need. You don't have to be perfect, just be honest and thoughtful.
And as I'm saying it out loud, it seems like a lot, but in reality, this takes about 30 minutes to an hour per application.
I don't usually score more than 5 applications in one sitting. If I try to do more than that, I kind of check out and don't do a great job reviewing. Once I'm finished with all of the applications, I review 1 or 2 of the first applications that I scored to see if my scoring changed over time.
Don't forget, the application and the project idea are not the same thing.
Yeah, sometimes it's a great project, but a messy application, or vice versa. Make a note of that in your comments so we can help strengthen it.
Last but not least, attend the review team meeting in October. Be prepared to talk about the applications that you reviewed and to listen to other volunteers about their opinions too.
All right, that's it. You'll get your flow down quickly. Before you know it, you'll be a pro.
If you have any questions during the process, please reach out.
Whether this is your first year as a reviewer or your 10th, thank you.
We'll see you in October.